Hello, my dear student. I welcome you to this class of class 12 student elective English. Today I will talk about this play Chandalika written by Rabindranath Tagore, who is a great thinker, philosopher, writer, poet and dramatist. And this man has got Nobel Prize for Literature in 1917 and he has brought laurel for India. Now, in this play, he talks about a girl, Prakriti. She belongs to the lowest gentry of our society. And once what happened, the follower of Lord Buddha happened to pass by and she was having a, a jar of water and he asked him to give him some water as he was thirsty. She said that she is an untouchable and she cannot give him water. Actually, that man, as he is the follower of Lord Buddha, he does not believe in inequality. He says all human beings are equal and she has every right that other human beings have. Now, it happens for the first time in the life of the girl Prakriti. She feels very happy because for the first time in her life she has been treated as equal by a man. Then she gives him water and then a kind of love is developed in her heart. She tells this to her mother and mother knows some magic and she tells her mother to bring him back by his magical power because she loves him and she wants to marry him and she wants to leave him forever. Now the mother says that you are a untouchable, belongs to the lowest state of the society and it is impossible. But she tells him that this man does not believe in inequality. He is very liberal. He treats me as equal and he says that I have every right to be a human being that other human beings have. She is adamant to get married with him. Just to fulfill the desire of her daughter, the mother uses her magic and she has brought him back and she wants to satisfy herself by meeting the follower of the Buddhist, Lord Buddha. And though the mother knows that it is not proper for a girl to fulfill her desire in that way, but keeping in view the love and affection of the girl for the man, she does this magic for her. And the girl realizes her mistake and she says that she is doing something wrong and she should not do it. And mother perform the act of using her magical power and while doing so she loses her life for the sake of her daughter. She sacrifices her life for the sake of her daughter, for the love of her daughter, and the girl succeeds in meeting the man, and here the story comes to an end. Now, in this story, we see that Rabindranath Tagore talks about the lower gentry of the society. There was inequality in the society which was prevalent. And when he referred to the lower gentry, he is referring to the people who are not allowed to go to the temple to dine with the people, to live with the people of the upper caste. That was the equilibrium prevailing in the society, and through this drama, Rabindranath Tagore has been successful in highlighting this problem, and he worked as a reformer. He wanted to remove this inequality from the society. That is why he has chosen this topic, and he has been successful in doing that. That is all about this. This is the main theme of the play, Chandalika. With this, I take your leave. Thank you very much. Next time, I will be dealing with you with some other topics. ठीक है.